VFC HK45CT. Shoutout kay Boss Brian. So license unit with complete markings. So may under rail na rin for attachment, and threaded yung OB with thread cover. So ito yung selector niya for safety and yung semi-firing mode niya. So ito yung box. Dalawang klase ang meron tayo for the 45C, 45 HK45 CT at saka yung C. Okay, so test natin. 374, 365, 365. Solid yung blowback. For more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH.